Как принял меня? 88, добро открыть огонь.
Добро, огонь!
Аль принял, плюс. Огонь!
The ceasefire in the Ukrainian village of Shirokine was short-lived. On April 18th, after less than 3 days of calm, fierce fighting erupted between Russian-backed separatists and members of the pro-government volunteer Azov battalion. Shirokine is just 10 kilometers from the key port city of Mariupol, which is under Kiev's control. Under the Minsk ceasefire agreement reached in February, fighters on both sides were expected to withdraw from the village. Members of the Special Monitoring Mission from the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe arrived in Shirokine to observe the ceasefire, but instead witnessed the start of new hostilities.
This happened after a 65 hours ceasefire, as well as a 40 hours non-stop presence by the mission in this village. The mission was here also overnight. Unfortunately, as you know, in the afternoon on Saturday, the fighting resumed, which led to an exchange of fire. We counted over 300 mortar and artillery shells being exchanged in total.
A Ukrainian and Russian general, representatives of a joint monitoring group, were both on hand to discuss the demilitarization plans. But among the fighters themselves, there seemed to be little faith in the agreements reached by officials.
Самого, я думаю, из поселка выйти без проблем. То есть, никому не надо, чтобы в поселке были действительно войска. Но то есть вот с позиции выше поселка, высотки эти никто оставлять не нужно, поскольку как только мы их покинем, их сразу займут сепаратисты. Смогут с них уже атаковать, развивать наступление.
Один человек здесь не скажет, что он согласен с Минскими договоренностями. Они просто никому не нужны. Это какое-то политическое решение, но это не человеческие решения.
Neither side seems prepared to give up on Shirokine, and the presence of observers has done little to calm the fears of the residents who must live in the midst of the fighting.